Another benefit that you could avail if you're under subscription is by accessing different training materials within the subscription center portal. So on the left side portion of the subscription center portal, there is a link in here for the training. Okay, so by clicking that, you could now access different materials that you could use to expand your skills and find meaningful answers for other technical questions and for more learning. So the courses that you could readily access within the training side of the subscription center portal, one of them is the Autodesk University course material. Okay, so as a subscription customer, you have full access to Autodesk University course materials free of charge, even if you do not attend the Autodesk University, which is being held yearly by Autodesk in Las Vegas. Okay, so to access this, just click the access the course material. Okay, and it will automatically course you through the Autodesk University website, wherein you could now access different online training materials. Okay, either you could watch it, you could download PDF files, PDF materials, or you could also download videos which are recorded by Autodesk when the Autodesk University was held. So to do that, just search what particular topic you want to access and just click the search button. Let's say I want to search online classes pertaining to AutoCAD, and it will automatically list all of the materials or courses or topics that were discussed on the Autodesk University. So these are the topics that you could access. Okay, as you would see, there are a lot of courses that you could search or you could see within it. Okay, it would just depend on what particular topic that you want to read or to download. Another part of the training within the subscription center portal is you could also search for different authorized training centers within the country. So let's say here in the Philippines, by clicking this button, the find the ATC closest to you or the authorized training center, it will automatically list all the training center that are available or that are already set up within the Philippines. Another part of the training portal within the Autodesk subscription is the Autodesk forums. So Autodesk forums offer a fast, easy way to get answers to technical questions immediately. So by searching and posting questions in the forum, you can leverage the combined knowledge of other software users as well as Autodesk product support specialists to help solve common problems or get assistance with installation, learn new techniques, and more. Okay, so by clicking this visit the forums, okay, it will now list all of the topics which were being discussed by different users. Okay, not only here in the Philippines but in other parts of the world. So you just have to select what topic you want to search. So let's say for AutoCAD, by clicking the AutoCAD's forum, okay, it will now list whether what version you want to search. So let's say for AutoCAD 2013, so these are the topics that are listed for the AutoCAD 2013. So let's say there is a new KB content for January, why AutoCAD is so slow. So you could search in here if you encounter different problems or issues. Okay, you could talk to different specialists, product support specialists of Autodesk, and also the other users from different parts of the world. Okay, and lastly is the Autodesk blogs. So for Autodesk blog, it offers a variety of educational and informative content, which also includes commentary by product and industry experts, developers, international users, and more. So by visiting the blogs of Autodesk, okay, these blogs are being managed by different Autodesk experts. So whether It's pertaining to AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Maya. All experts are within these blogs. So you just have to click in it. You could read contents, updates pertaining to a particular product, okay, announcements, if there is a webcast that is available for your country, you could readily get it in here, get the information within the Autodesk blogs. So there, that is the training part within the Autodesk subscription portal that you could access.